Welcome to Webstar Plus. Tailwind CSS 4 is released that changed how you use it in projects. Previously, we used it in HTML like this. For Tailwind CSS 4, it's different. You should absolutely use Tailwind CSS 4 because it supports modern CSS features including modernized P3 color palette and container queries. In this video, I will show you how can you use it in simple HTML. Tailwind CSS 4 offers a simplified installation. It needs fewer dependencies and zero configuration. All you have to do is to include script from unpkg in head section of web page. This is the script from PlayCDN. And that's it. Our page is working. If I comment this, we have this. And best of all of the design tokens are exposed as native CSS variables, so you can access them anywhere. You do not need to change configuration in JavaScript. For example, to change theme variables, you will use CSS style, not JavaScript. Like this. Notice style type. It's text/tailwind CSS. So you can use type text/tailwind CSS to add custom CSS that supports all of Tailwind's CSS features. And it is working. So all you need is this script to add Tailwind CSS version 4 in your HTML. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.